if you want to choose the demo option, you can click on yes. Okay, or if you don't want to see that, you can click no, and you can directly come to TEMS-DISCOVERY. We are using the professional 12.1.3 version. You can see in the top in the window screen or the taskbar, above the taskbar. So now you can see the projects which we have created currently. So let's move on to one project and see how it happens. So click on the project. Let's say I'm clicking on Pazindong and right click on it. And then you can do open project. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes to open. Okay, it's open now. Now you can come to the workplace. See, this is the project name, Pazindong, which is opened here, and you can go to composite. Okay, here we have 3 different folders wherein we have different log files loaded already. So let's say I'm going to do any analysis on 3Z. So I have to click on this 3Z auditor, and I'm clicking on it, and here you can see all the options available. Let's say I'm going to see the WCDMS cell measurements, so I have to expand it here, and there is a lot of stuff coming up. You can choose whatever you want to choose. Let's say I'm going to choose the active RSCP. So you can right click and click on the send to map view, so that you can see a map representation of the log file, and the active RSCP label along with the lesions. So in a couple of minutes it will open here in the workspace. Let's just wait for it. Okay, now we can see the map and the subsequent log file. Okay, these are the routes covered while the drive is done. So if you want to hide the map, you can choose none here, or you can choose any of the maps shown here. So let's choose none, so that your workspace doesn't get overloaded, and maybe the system will hang. So now you can see the log collected in the entire route of this particular area, Pazindong. Now you can click on this button. This is the lesions, what lesions are there. So these are the lesions. The red color shows a minimum 200, which is 73 samples, around 3.29%. And moving on, you are having -100 to -91, 91 to 85, 85 to -76, -76 to max. So the green one are the best samples, and the red one are the bad samples of the active RSCP. Alright, if you want to add the map, you can go to the cells. Here we have already the map uploaded, so you can click on the 3G cell file, and you can drag this base to the map view area, and you can leave it here. Okay, so that you can see the sectors and the sites in a couple of seconds. And if you want to hide the map, or you want to see some other options like chat view or histograms, you can do that also. And if you want to hide the lesions also, you can click here, or you can right click here on the lesions, and you can make, if you want to hide them, you can hide them. So for the timing, let's wait for the sites and cells to come up here. It's taking a little longer time. But you had to wait for it. Okay, Now we can see, let's say the example, if you want to maximize the areas, you can click on this button, okay, and if you do a left click on your mouse or with your touchpad, it will magnify the area. Like I have chosen this area to magnify, okay. And if you want to demagnify it, you can do the right click on your mouse or your touchpad. Like you can do a right click and you see demagnifying the area. So let's magnify again, okay. Okay, so now you can see the sites, the sectors, and the PSC or the primary scrambling code here. The site name is YAW 4090 underscore 2 means second sector, and here 234 is the PSC or the primary scrambling code. And you can see these samples serving from which site by simply clicking on them, not like this, because you have chosen the magnifying tool. You have to choose this tool or the spider move tool, and you can click on this bins to see which particular sector is serving. Okay, you can see now parallelly 3 sectors are serving this area. One is YAW 4090 third sector, again first sector, and one more site which is overshooting from distance. You can see that, okay, this one is the site which is again you know overlapping at this area. So this is the way you can see each sample subbed by which site. Here you can see four sites, 4 cells serving the same area. So there may be a chance of increase of interference, or you may get a lower throughput here. Alright, so that's it for today. Every day we'll see couple of tips and tricks of TEMS discovery, and we'll see how to analyze the logs in 3Z, and we'll see the 4Z as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Take care. Bye bye.